your door is like more harder than Dwayne Johnson's left bicep, bro.
Yeah, it's definitely a heavy door, but it's quite the exercise, right? Can I help you with something?
Okay, brother, listen, there's no time for jokes, alright, bro? Focus with me here, look at my voice, and listen to my face, alright? Valentine's Day is in 2 weeks, and there's this girl that to me, I'm trying to make her like my personal Valentine, alright, bro? So I have some designs in mind, bro, that I wanna like print on like a shirt or something, bro, to help me seduction here, alright?
Yeah, I mean, I get it. It's just, you know, normally flowers, chocolate, you know, kind of does the wine too, like does a pretty good job.
Me, basic Billy over here, bro, with his like flowers in his chocolate, brother. It's 2021, bro. It's time to be like ordinary, bro, right?
whatever you say. The computer's right there in the front, so you could pretty much check out your designs, create anything you want, really.
Perfect. Thanks, Bello.
Oh yeah, and a little side note for the next time, you could basically do everything from home. And our motto here is if you order it today, we print it today, and we ship it today, and the shipping is free.
Me, bro, even like free shipping, that's good. Me personally, bro, like I just Google search like t-shirt information, bro, you know? And you guys pretty much like came out with like 4.9 North Stars on 5, so like I came to see you guys, you know? But anyways, bro, me, I'm gonna check this out over here, okay? Me, bro, that's spack. Wait, Bella, you caught me exercising my muscles. And speaking of Valentines, you have a Valentine? Nah, bro, it's too subtle, bro. I need something like... Ah, this is more bester, bro. Scopa. Anyways, looks like I win again. But since we just played Scopa, maybe we should do like the shirt says and it's time to Me, bro, it's getting hot in here, bro. No, wait. But like, what if she doesn't play Scopa? Then that's not gonna work, bro. So we need to get something more like general, bro. You know, that's something everyone... Bingo, this is it, bro. Breakfast in bed or butter in bed? Strawberries and whipped cream on the house. Print me this one, bro. Yeah, but like if you actually want breakfast, like I can, like I got an egg here, or I can cook you like some cereal. I think we have like nut honey Cheerios or something, but